So this is our backpack section. So this gigantic section here is all the CabinZero. There's so many colors. Simi Lanjiao color you want also all we have all the latest model. So there's a standard 28 liter, 36 liter, 44 liter, whatever liter you want, all we should have in stock. So there's a technical model, the basic model, the military model. So the most popular one with us, of course, is the military one. So military one, the material is not the same. The rest are polyester, theirs is nylon. Then not only that, behind got the mesh. So not so sweaty lah. The basic model don't have all this mesh detailing behind. A bit more expensive, but worth it lah. So of course, all this CabinZero white people want is this. They allow all aeroplane to carry. So that's the maximum size. You optimize the maximum you can carry onto a flight, hand carry flight. Then of course the shape, the packing shape, easy to pack all your clothing or whatever you buy on your trip. So that is the CabinZero. Then this is the atas, a bit technical, more compartment inside. Then you pay more lah.